Go.
So we're about to go into the cave.
Saya speaking.
Listen to the guy, okay?
Say hi to the camera.
Say hi to the camera, guys. Don't be shy.
Hello, camera.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
So we're about to go down into the cave. We might not be seen again, but you know what? Good times.
Kita ang tissue kay pala.
No, there's no 3D version, so we have to take off
Oh,
our
take
glasses.
off your glasses. Mga tagak mo.
Maybe when Dad's done.
At the same time, pag storya po.
Bahala.
Aga.
Pang vlog.
Ang vlog ko na.
Okay, let's proceed to the underworld. So, panaog na to, ma'am, ha? Sideways and side steps. So, hinahinay lang ta. Yes, slowly. Girls, do the tsunami walk going down. Ma'am, slowly lang, ma'am, ha? One step at a time.
Listen, because this is real deal.
Be careful. Have mercy on your outfit. Okay, kuya, slowly. Okay.
Can I fit all the way down? I'm joking.
Okay, sir, remove your sunglasses, sir. Ano sa mga? Napaong mo, sir.
Oh, it's on. It's
Ay, naon na.
Just tap the screen.
Okay, sige, sige.
Ay, what the fuck was that, man?
It's a bird.
That was a bug.
Yeah, so don't open your mouth.
Okay.
You might swallow the bird. Eh, sir, hinahina sir ang ulo. Ikay lang sa group, sir, no?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, mind your head, sir. The entrance is good for BFF. You know BFF?
I know. We know.
Yeah, BFF, it means below 5 feet.
Below 5 feet.
Yes, welcome to
Thank you.
Hinagdanan Cave. Okay.
Yeah.
Proceed to the underworld.
Oh, I like that. I like that.
Oh, sige man, pahoma kung CCTV man. Di mag-pictorial man ta. Okay, guys. We're taking picture first.
Jan.
Evidence that we came in a cave, not in a manhole. Okay, all of you face me here and peace be with you. Okay, smile. Ay, si Benten, di mo klaro. Okay, go. Show me your teeth in 3, 2, 1.
And give me your smile.
One more shot. Oh, boys, stomach in. Yeah, I saw the buffet. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect evidence.
See, I need him to take my photos. He needs to remind me.
Look at the product, man.
Kono kaniya. Iyan kono kaniya. Dadon kaniya.
Ay, asa man?
Dadon kaniya.
Asal bawal dalo ng endangered species. Sige, bantita. So, mag-swimming. Ay, i-check sa ninyo.
Ah, sige, mag-swimming ko, okay.
Ay, nindot yung swimming, sir. Look at the water, sir. It's nice.
My goodness, man.
Pero karon sir, ang atong water is 3-in-1. Fresh salt with Korean ginseng. There's a lot of Korean swimming right there.
I-mix na ninyong friend.
Yeah, mix naman. Ay, wala lagi mo sud sila, sir. Kamo, sir. Ay, nice yard dito, sir, left side. Dapit sa parking area. Ay. Sige, balik lang mo, sir, ha. Oh, naka-video. Naka-video ni, hoy. So, look at the God's creation, ma'am, sir.
Asa man dito? Sige, pwede.
Ako din, okay, mamay man lang, wait.
O ganahan mo mag-life jacket, sir. Napoy life jacket. Depende ninyo, ganahan mo. Ayan, yan na, masulod na gid sila sa cave. Yes. Tito Dario. Ito mo. Tanawan ninyo, ma'am. Kung sa katinaw ang atong water, ma'am. Klaro kayong ilaw. CR ba?
Aakit na ako. Nanay, tingin mo na siya.
May pitakan, may fountain.
Yeah.
Uy, sayang to pag hindi ako kinunan to.
Gawa tayo ng pang billboard dyan, sir. No worries.
How do you take videos ng ganito? Kanang pangkuhan, pang real kayo ba?
Pang reels?
Ay, kaya bahala ka. Kanang
Bahalang
pangkuhan.
bayan.
Ganito sa sir.
Malmal bayan na.
Imong bunal.
Bunal akong bunal. Baho kayo ng bunal eh. Hala, nasulti sa...
Naklaro sa video.
Naklaro.